guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a highly requested video. You guys have asked me over and over and over again to give you guys a update on my natural hair, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video today. If you are not a part of the Diamond Squad, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Also, while you are doing that, don't forget to hit the notification button, that little bell up there, to make sure you are notified every time a new video is dropped. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys everything I've been doing to grow my natural hair. Also, I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair, the products that I use to wash my hair, how I detangle my hair, and those products that I use on my hair. For those of you who are new to my channel or have been living under a rock, I went natural last year. I still to this day can't believe that I actually did the big chop. I don't really focus a lot on my natural hair simply because I'm really not comfortable with the transitioning stage. You guys know I love wigs, and I just really haven't fully embraced my natural hair, but I am working on doing that. I will say when my hair was relaxed, I did do a lot more to it than I do with my natural hair, and maybe it's because I really don't wear my natural hair too much. You guys know I love the hell out of a wig, okay? And so I really don't feel the need to wear my natural hair. Now, I will wear my natural hair for a couple of days just to give my hair a break from the braids and the weave, but it's not something that I will continue to wear for a long period of time. So first off, let me just talk to you guys about what I've been doing. So what I primarily do is I don't touch my hair really. Only thing I will do is I will get my hair braided every 2 to 3 weeks. I'll get my hair braided and I'll let those braids stay in for about 2 to 3 weeks. During the time that my hair is braided, I'll make sure I moisturize and oil my scalp every single day. I am still using all of the oils that I used in my relaxed hair care regimen. All of those oils are still the same. The only thing new that I have added is the actual Jamaican black castor oil, which I focus directly on my sides. By the way, hold on, let me just go get that. Hold on. So my primary focus through my new natural hair journey is to also focus on my edges again. For those of you who have watched my relaxed hair videos, you guys already know that my edges are naturally thin. I have tried several different products, several different remedies. Some things will have better results than others, but the final conclusion is my hair will thin back out eventually. So I really haven't found anything that has officially worked successfully, you know, months and months afterwards. So what I am doing right now is I'm using a combination of things. I am using the Wild Growth hair oil. I'm also using the Protective Growth Renewal hair restoration topical moisturizant. Also using pure Jamaican black castor oil. Now, in the past with my relaxed hair, I actually just used regular castor oil, and my relaxed hair loved it. But with my natural hair journey, I wanted to try the 100% Jamaican black castor oil. Now, I ordered mine from online. Do not get the Jamaican black castor oil from a beauty supply store because it ain't the real deal, okay? If it don't look like this, I wouldn't get it, because most of the natural girls that I see, they always have this particular bottle. So I have been using this since I've been natural, which has been a year now, and I can say my edges have filled in a little bit. It's not anything really dramatic in my opinion. That's what I have been doing for my edges, and so far I can tell that it is kind of some hair is being produced in some of the areas that is really thin or almost bald. So I guess for right now I can say it is working very slowly. So I put absolutely no heat on my hair, no heat at all. I'm quite sure that has definitely played a huge part on my hair growth. I do not blow dry my hair. I do not straighten my hair, simply because I don't have the need to. I always moisturize and seal my ends. Now, as my moisturizer, what I use is the Shea Butter Conditioning Hair Cream. I love this stuff. I even love this stuff when I'm styling my hair. Now, even though it makes my hair curl up and I still have to go on top with a gel to lay it flat, I still love this stuff because it really does make my hair feel really soft and really moisturized. So I'll use this and then I'll follow up with the oil to seal in the moisture. So being on my natural hair journey, I have tried a couple of different products. Some products I love, some products I don't like. In my last natural hair video, I did use the entire Thank God It's Natural product line. Some things worked for my hair, some things didn't work for my hair. I did test out that product for a couple of months and decided to switch out some things. The only thing I did not change was the shampoo. I really do like the shampoo. I feel like it doesn't leave my hair squeaky clean. It doesn't make my hair feel like it's stripped. So when it comes to conditioners, I'm using two different things. I'm using the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Y'all, when I tell y'all this stuff is like crack, you need this. Like, if you are having any issues with detangling your hair, this is the product for you. Also, every day I love to mist my hair in the morning with a leave-in conditioner. This Cantu leave-in conditioning spray is amazing. When I was trying to actually style my hair, I was using this creamy hair lotion and it wasn't working. It was causing my hair to be really, really soft, which I can appreciate, but it was not holding my hair. Like, my hair was curling up because it was getting moisture. So I had to revert to a gel to get a more sleek look. And so what I used is the new Eco Styling Olive Oil, Shea Butter, and Black Castor Oil gel. So yeah, I love the gel. Keeps my hair very sleek, as you can see. Don't have to worry about any hairs curling up or sticking out, which happens if I use a moisturizer. Now, to get my curls popping, this is the only thing that works for me. It's the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk. This is the refreshener spray. And it's supposed to be like a nourishing and a conditioner to help make your curls and your coils and your kinks and waves pop. And it looks like this is in a little spray bottle. I really do love using this. I actually use this on my bun or on my natural ponytail where my ends are out, and I just love that look. I'm gonna always have my ends curly. Like, my curls are gonna always be super defined. Like how my curly wigs be, my natural hair is gonna be like that. Like, I don't want my natural hair to look dry at all. I don't want it to look kinky. I don't want it to look afro-ish. No, I want my hair to look curly, and curls are popping. That's how I want it. Okay. And then also I will spray my hair and my bun or my ponytail with this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. I love this as well. I actually started to use this product on my relaxed hair before I fully transitioned and did the big chop, and I really did like what it did for my hair. Very shiny, made it feel very soft, so I did like that. I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I have said way too much in this video because it's supposed to be really more so like a demo video, but if it's not, that's okay. So yeah, this was just a little update on my natural hair because you guys have been asking me to do so for so long, and I finally said, you know what, today I am going to do an update. I see a huge drastic change in my natural hair, so here I am. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. You probably won't see too many styling videos, okay? I'm just gonna be honest with you on that. You will see, if you guys want to see like a bun video, I'll definitely give you guys that. But if you want me to do like natural hairstyles and stuff like that, I can't do it because I don't know how to do it. I really ain't interested in doing it right now. Now, once my hair get a little bit more longer and fuller, I will feel more excited to do something like that, but right now I just don't want to do it. I'm just not here for it. I don't want to do it. So yeah, okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know below in the comment section if you guys did. Thanks for watching. Bye.